everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to stagger your floor tiles. Staggering floor tiles can add a lot of dimension to your room and it's a very simple task. For this job you'll need something to use as a straight edge. I'm going to go ahead and use my 2-foot level. You also need a tape measure, pencil, and razor blade. First thing we want to do is measure to the exact center of our room. So we'll go to one wall, measure it across, and divide it in half. Then we'll do the same thing on the other wall. Now we want to make those lines intersect using our straight edge. So what we want to do is start with our first tile right here, put the corner of it right in that intercrossing line. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure the length of this tile and divide that in half and put a small mark on our tile. Now where that line is, we're going to take our next tile, go ahead and peel off the backing, and we're going to match up the corner of our next tile right on our mark. And that gives us the starting point for the rest of our room. We can work all our tiles off of these 2 tiles right here because every one you lay is going to be staggered with the next. Using this method allows you to space everything just right so when you hit the end of your run against the wall, your lines will match up and you won't be losing tiles into the wall. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.